Hi, good evening to all. Today my presentation is about age detection using openCV in Python. We all know that automatic age and classification have become relevant in increasing amount. So in order to do that, nevertheless the performance of these methods real world images, I have reported related tasks to for face recognition. In this project, I am going to show you face recognition and through finding the age of a person. By using deep convolution neural networks, CNN, I have been made this task. So in order to have this architecture, I have evaluated some of the methods by using openCV in Python. Next, this is the overview of the project. Where it comes to openCV. OpenCV is a great tool for image processing and performing computer vision tasks. Whereas it is an open source library tool which can perform tasks like face recognition and object recognition tracking and landmark detection. Or we're more over this. It will be more supported to Python, Java, C++. So this library has equipped a lot of functions and algorithms where we can make any type of detection through this OpenCV. So when it comes to CNN, it's a convolutional neural network. It is a type of artificial neural network where we use it to find the image recognition and process the design of the image. So it is where it will find the image to perform both generative and alternative tasks of that. So this mission will include image or also live status, and it will find the live recognition of a person. So when these two combine to form a function, then it will communicate to form the age detection of a person, wherein the live status of a person or by a image processing of a person. So when it comes to the motivation, my motivation is to that we are worrying of all the ages of a person. We don't know what is the age of a person we have seen. So in order to get sort of this, I have built this project to find the age of a person. So I have used many tasks to make this happen. So in my point of view, I have used Python language to predict this age prediction of a person from face recognition. So this is the system overview where the age prediction versus where when our person has a age predicted as 31, with the age prediction by classifications, we will be classified the terminals from 0 to 2, 4 to 6, and 8 to 12, 15 to 20. And the age limit goes on increasing. Where when the system recognizes a face of a person, it will clarify its objection from the times taken of the ages from 0 to 2, how much percent he will be accepting, and finally it will create the final image and final age of a person by highest percentage of prediction. So when it comes to hardware and software, we must have a computer system, and we have the library tools as OpenCV and some of the applications like face detection application and age detection applications. When it comes under when we are implementing these process, we should have open source files and open source systems. So in my project, we will generate the face recognition of a person by image parameters. So in my point of view, I will show you some of the image parameters where I have done. This is the image parameter. These are the multiple convolutions and the size of a program. So in this point of view, we will have the layers by layer of convention process. I have kept the minimal size of this, minimal sizes, exception ratio, and so on. So this is the face recognition text file, and this is the age predictor conversion where we can find the where we have the inserted the dimensions of the persons. So when it comes to this, we will make forward of all the things. So this is the design. When we make a live interaction with the live feed, it will the Python code or the openCV will concentrate on the face detection modules we have inserted, and it will detect and it will make a frame of size of the person. When the frame of size person is adjusted, it will direct to the age detection model, where the age detection model will accelerate all the predictions of the ages we have been implemented on the predictions, how much percentage of the age is related to the person, it will predict the age of a person. We will get the output of the image. So in this, we have the demo presentation, demo implementation of this project. I will show you the demo implementation where we have the files is the diplo prototypes, which is the face recognition, and the age prototypes, and these are the cave models which will help us to predefine this. So I have created the project py. This is the we should have to import the conventions and OS and file type, whereas numpy is the file which will convert all the relations over that. Where this is a library used for working with all the arrays. It will function all the transformations and algebra and everything. Where these will be used to fix the faster proportion of the program. So I have used this. I have used the age model, age proto, and we have imported all this from the where the weights which have been created as the prototypes of these age and facial recognition files. This is the code of that, and get faces will catch the face IDs of the person. So now we will run this file to have a brief introduction. So I'm now opening the command prompt. So we should first install the packages. So install the packages in the sense we should have the Python in it. So I'm now installing some. So we should use the pip install openCV Python. So in this it shown I have already installed it. This shows we have satisfied that. And next we should install some other packages, upgrade it. So this is the thing. I have set all the packages in this library. So I have been using in the student profile. So next I should install the file types. So whereas thus all this is satisfied, now I will run this program. Python and my project, which I will show you the image. So before running this, I'm going to download an image which will tell you brief introduction. So picture person, any of the person. So I'm downloading image. Let's see what will happen. Okay, I'll get to have this girl. So now I'm downloading this. Save image. Okay, dow.jpg. I am saving this in student file because we should to access this from there. So I'm saying here, done. Now I'm going to implement the age of the person, Python project.py and dow.jpg. Now see this. We will we will get the face the framework where the age of the person will be predicted. with 69.5%. So we have seen the age of the person. So we can see that how much percent from 0 to 2, it's 2%, 4 to 6 is 27%. It's more or the equal to 21 to 25 at the age 69%. So the final age of the person is 69.51%. Now I will predict the age of live status. Now I'm again opening the command prompt. Python project1.py. So project1 dot, whereas the project1 is live status of the person. So I have imported the files. Here we are using the model mean values in the get value of the preferred models, and we have created the confidences. This is the optimal front scale image resize. We are predicting the age format. Now I'm going to run this on live status. So okay, now I'm going to run. Let's see what will happen. Yeah, see, here is the live status of the program. See, it was showing me, and the age of mine, it is equal to the 99%, and my age is from 25 to 32. So this is the age of my mind. So this is the live status of the person. So this is my project about age detection using openCV in Python. Thank you, and I thank you my professor for giving me confidence to do this project. Thank you all.